Hello. I'm just checking out, making sure I am doing it right. We are building up the Mom 6-drawer set. Is that the right way to word it? 6-drawer set? 6-drawer chest of drawers. That might be the better way to put it. From Ikea. Ikea! Yes. Now I'm on my last big drawer. I built that one, and that one. I'm building that one now. I am. Then I've got those two to build. Yes. I've already built the framework. That one is on USA, Adelesexyuk USA. Go check that one out. That was interesting because I've never built one that big before. Never. I built it and it took about 2 hours to build it. When Mr. Bruce probably could have done it in half an hour, it took me about 2 hours. No? Is that about how long it takes you to do it? I don't feel too bad then. I don't feel too bad. But that was interesting to build that. So yes, we're doing the last big drawer. We are. So we start off with the white front. Because we have to put the little screws in it, or the big screws. So we need 4 metal things. Metal ones. Now, Ikea doesn't tell you to glue it, but Mr. Producer likes it glued because it gives it extra strength. And with it going in the bathroom, which is more or less always damp because of me hanging all my washing in there, it's good to have that extra bit of strength. So the glue was not coming out. So I cleaned the nozzle up from before, I just cleaned it up a little bit more. And it seems to hopefully be coming out now. So the metal ones go in the little holes. They do. So, oh, I still got the bit on it as well that I need. So I've got my screwdriver. Now you will need 2 different they're not called top. Are they called screw bits? Bits. What are they called? Those bits. What are they called? Screw bits. I am saying it right then. There's not a certain word for them. But no, you will need 2 different styles. You'll need the Phillips head one. I think that's the one I'm using now. And then, as I call it, you'll need the straight line one then. And it's probably not called the straight line one, but that is what I call it. I'm not very good on the technical names for things, but basically you'll need that one. Yes. So we need to do this around. We do the other 2 on this side. Again, they go in the small holes. You know what we forgot to do this time, didn't you, Mr. Producer? Start the stopwatch. We've been timing ourselves. The last time, we did time the first drawer, but we timed the second drawer, and that took us 24 minutes. The third drawer that we've just done took us 21 minutes. I really wish that we put the stopwatch on for this one as well. But, oh yeah, but I talk for a beginning, so you can't really use the video as the time because I waffle on. You know? Right, that's them in. So now you want to get your sides. Now the different sides, obviously. This one goes on this side because of the big bits. That's how I tend to do it. And then normally behind me, the other sides, yeah. Oh, maybe that one. Yes, that one goes to that side. So I put that on that side, you see? And I don't get confused. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 left for the little drawers. All the pieces are going. Pardon? Huh? Logging? Slogging. I don't know what he's saying. He's mouthing some word. Maybe I shouldn't know the word that he's mouthing. So you want 2 little wooden pieces in this one. I can't believe how long it took us to build a big framework. Why are you coming closer? Oh, you can't see. I was just wondering whether he was going to try and mouth that word to me again. Vanishing. Slowly. Slowly going. Is that what you're saying? Thanks. I thought I was going quite quick now on these. The framework took forever. It makes a good video though. It's a how-to way of doing things, yes. You know me, I never speed things up. I have to do them real time. I do. That's why it always takes forever. I think, to be fair, I think we are probably one of the very few YouTubers that does the actual videos as real time. 9 times out of 10, people speed it up, or they cut it, or they edit it. Why? Well, we like to show you the whole experience without getting frustrated and peed off and shouting at Mr. Producer and, yeah, getting things wrong. So, you know when I build my Lego castle, that will not be speeded up. You will get the whole experience of how to build up a Lego castle. Now, obviously, it won't be in the same video. No, it will not. It will be in separate videos. That one will be. About 14 probably. But it will be done on camera. Yes. So I'm tightening up these pieces because this just drags it down to the shelf that bit more. Like so. I'm just kind of like talking, I'm not telling people how to do it now. You wipe up your glue, and that one's done. We are done with that one for now. So we're on to the next shelf, which is this one. It's not a shelf, is it really? It's a side to a drawer. Ooh, and that's the wrong side. So we're going to put the glue in the holes first. If it will. There you are, Mr. Glue. How did you go? Wooden pieces in. I probably put the glue in further than what the wood sticks go, you know. I don't know. Might not be. Now, Mr. Producer likes it glued all the way along, just so it all seals up together. That's the whole idea. If there's a flat surface and it's going to go together, it wants it sticking together. We stick together like shabba-dabba-dabba-dabba-dabba-ding-dong. Together forever. That's the way. That's the way. Oh, falling. There we go. And we're going to bang. Flush. Wipe off the excess. And then we'll have 2 pieces out. Then we're going to glue. It's become a bit of a routine in how to do it now. You know, because it's the 4th one. Nice door there. Together forever. Tighten it up again. Oh, that one's gone straight now, look, that one. Ta-da! They're straight. Right then, so we're going to work on that now. I'm falling in my boat. What you said? It's how I put them in. Okay. Never mind. They're in. They're on. They're drying. They're fine. So, this back bit, yeah, this back bit goes into this bit here. So what I do is, I'm going to get my glue down, because because we need a long line of glue in this gap. We do. So in it goes. I like it with continuous line if I can. We'll always be together. Ooh, yeah. Together. Right. We decided on the first row that the grey bit goes in the middle. Yes. So we're going to slide that in. Being careful not to hurt myself, like we did with the first row when I had a temper tantrum. Yes, I have a nice, oh look at the bruise. That's a nice bruise from this. It is, I love it. Making sure it's in. Where's the other piece? Right, now this piece sits on top, but there's a line, look, that bit slides into. So what you need to do, or what we do, is we glue. We glue like our life depends on it. Yes. All the way along that line. Hopefully a continuous line will happen again. Yeah, I didn't get my continuous line. Forever together. Ah, what's happening? Come on. Yeah. I think I am running out of glue now. It's getting hard to squeeze it out. It is. Together forever. See if wiping it works again. But I've done that bit now. I'll just see if that works. Right, so I'm going to pop that down a second. Because now we're going to glue in these nooks and cranny bits here. If my glue works for me. Come on, Mr. Glue. Give me some glue. Give me air. I don't want air. I want glue. Thank you. Go on, keep going, keep going. I am. I don't want to wait. I want to get it done. I'm on the time constraint, you know. I'm trying to be quicker than the last time. It's a shame I can't stand it up upside down, isn't it? Keep it going. Right. So now we're going to play about with this and get it in the right position. We are. And you go there. And you go loop it down. And you pull out the loop. Ah! Fell out. It fell out. It fell out that bit as well. Nice. It fell out that bit. You in. And this side. Yeah. You are. It's not sticking together this time. The last one stuck together. It stayed together for me, the last one did. Right. Now what you need is 4 plastic nails. Yes. Like so. Now they go in there and they pull it all together. But I'm going to push from that end to make that go together as well. We glue the nails themselves this time because it's easier to push them in and it goes further in than the glue. All the way around, like so. Look at that back and see if it's gonna take a nice, thankfully, that one went in. Right. Let's get this one glued. Shang, 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 shang. We'll Give it a bang. That's a lot of glue. I just went on my hammer. That needs banging back that way. There we go. So if you know, when you come to put the rails on, which is my next job, after I've done this, which is not gone together on this side again. I think it's because it's the last one is trying to be awkward with me. It knows. But it's not the last one, is it? We got the short ones to do yet. Need the other one in because I don't think that's going to hold it together on its own. So I'm going to push it and put my leg on this side and push from the other side for this one. If I can move my legs. Right, that looks secured in. It does. Get all the glue off before it sets. Right, let's push that. Push too far over now. That's better. That's better. Now we're going to finish it down, like so. Put this pair of rails on. Always be together. Wow. Yeah. Right, so the reason why I was messing about with that back bit more than anything is because that sits on there flush, and it's a lot easier if it balances itself, but it doesn't look like it's going to. So you need 3 of these little ones at Ikea supplies. You do. You have to glue up the hole first. So we're going to pump it. So I'm going to glue all 3 holes as well because once that's on, it's hard to get to them. It is. Wipe off the excess, and now we're going to screw it in. The wheel goes on the back of it. I'm going to stay on. I need to put my other piece on. My other bit. Shame it's not magnetic to hold it. Isn't it? You can get magnetic ones, I know you can. I always start in the middle. So you can still play about with the other 2 if you need to move it around a bit. All the way around helps. One more. While I'm here, I'm going to put this little bit of glue. That's here. Which is actually drying already. You realise it was that hot in here. So now for the last one, which is here. So again, the wheels go to the back. And look, that's flush this time. Yay! Well, my glue's coming down and then my 3 pieces out. Look at that. I don't think I could manage that one again. So then glue up the holes again. Yep. Wipe up the excess. Two. Last one. And 3. And that is another drawer done. And I can't see any glue sticking out anywhere on the outside. So I'm going to flip it a second. Have a quick look on the inside, and yes, there's some on the inside. There it is. Quite a lot actually on the inside. There we go. Oh, I've got to get up now. That knee is really hurting now. And I think I'm getting a blister on that foot. Look. How red my foot's gone. Yes. Right. Are you coming down to the bathroom again, Mr. Producer? To show everybody? Yes? Let's go then. Last big draw. Once I get going, I can't stop. Especially not with my knee. Last big draw. Going in. Yes. You're having fun getting in and out the bath. That is all the big drawers done. So we have 1, and they work, look! They actually work! Oh, I have to keep editing and doing it. And again. Yes, all filled. Now I've got to remember not to overfill them. I do. Because otherwise they'll collapse and they'll be no good. Oh, because I put all the glue in, they won't collapse. So I can't overfill them then. Oh, make your mind up. So the next video will be the last video of this saga, because I'm going to do both little ones together. Yes, thankfully. Because it's been tiring building this up. I think so anyway. We have been at it all day. I think we started at 11:15 this morning. And it's now 7:25 in the evening. Yeah, we had to take a little break. You had to go get the monkeys. But yes. So there we go, my lovelies. Like the video for me. Subscribe to whichever channel this has ended up on. Don't forget to subscribe to the others as well. Check your subscriptions as well. If you think you are subscribed to my channels, please go and double check them, because people are being removed from subscriptions. It has happened to Mr. Producer, so go and check to make sure you are subscribed to my channels. Follow me on my Twitter, Instagram, and my amazing Patreon, all at Adelesexyuk. The link is in the description below for my Patreon at Adelesexyuk. If you're on a mobile device, click the little icon on your left hand side next to the like button. It'll drop the menu down, click on the link, it'll bring up Safari or Chrome for you to use as your web browser. Then click on one of them and it will take you straight to my Patreon, where there is a free and public yoga video ready for you to watch. Scroll through the videos and it'll be there hiding in there somewhere. See you soon, guys. I'm off to build the small doors now. See ya.